Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to reset Netflix on Smart TV to fix Netflix errors. Firstly is to reinstall Netflix. A fresh installation can resolve app-related glitches. Open apps and navigate to the settings, then go and find Netflix in the list of installed apps. Just select the option to reinstall Netflix and open it to check if it's working properly. If not, try switching between apps. Launch another app like Hulu or YouTube on your TV. After a few seconds, switch back to Netflix. This unusual method has reportedly worked for some users. And thirdly, sign out and sign back into Netflix. On the Netflix home screen, navigate left to the Open menu. Scroll to the bottom and select Get Help, Sign Out, and confirm by selecting Yes. Sign back in with your Netflix credentials. If you're on an error screen, click More Details, then Sign Out or Reset. Then log back to your Netflix account. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.